In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list in more places on Facebook Marketplace 2026. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or go to the website on your computer. From the home screen, head to Marketplace. On mobile, you'll find the little shopfront icon in the main menu. On desktop, it's in the left sidebar. Open it, and you're in the buying and selling hub. Next, start a new listing. Look for Create New Listing and select it. Then choose Item for Sale. This tells Facebook you're posting a typical product, not a vehicle or a home, and it unlocks the fields you'll need. Now add your details. Give your item a clear title that includes the brand, model, and condition when relevant. Set a realistic price to attract interest while leaving a bit of room for negotiation. Pick the most accurate category so the right shoppers see it. Write a helpful description with key features, measurements, condition notes, and what's included. Set your location to the area where you're willing to meet or ship. This improves local visibility. Finally, upload bright, well-lit photos from multiple angles and make the best one your cover image. Before you publish, look for the option called List in More Places. Tap or click it. Facebook will show you a list of local buy and sell groups that accept posts like yours. These are groups you can currently post to, and some may have admin approval or posting limits. Cross-posting here expands your reach dramatically without making separate listings from scratch. Choose the groups where your item makes the most sense. You can select multiple at once, and it's smart to focus on groups that match your item type and are close to your location. Avoid oversharing to unrelated groups, since that can reduce quality and may trigger moderation. If you see notes about group rules or approvals, keep them in mind as you select. When everything looks good, hit publish. Your item will go live on Facebook Marketplace and also appear in the groups you selected. Keep an eye on your notifications for messages and respond promptly to serious buyers. If a group requires approval, your post will show there after it's reviewed. After you've made the sale, mark the listing as sold or update its availability to prevent further inquiries. That's the entire process. Open Marketplace, create your listing, fill in strong details, choose List in More Places, pick relevant groups, and publish. Follow these steps and your item will be seen by more local shoppers faster.